Hey guys, long time no see. Welcome back to my channel. I decided to start the vlog here because I just feel like it was a good time. What is this? A bra about to fall behind my bed, and I would have spent weeks looking for that bra. But anyways, I can't find my lip gloss. I cannot leave my apartment without my lip gloss. Like, I just cannot do it, or some form of lip gloss. So yeah, this is a problem. Because I have no idea where it is. Usually my lip gloss, I try to keep it like in plain sight, unless I left it in my car. That's the only other option. If it's not my car, I have no idea where it is. I have a backup lip gloss right here, but it's not much in it at all. I'm just gonna take it because I want to go get breakfast before I'm just gonna take the backup and just go because I do want to get breakfast because I don't have any like breakfast here, and I ordered groceries, but they're not gonna be ready until 3, and then that's after I get off work. So I have a lot to do between now and 3 o'clock to where I don't need to be hungry. So yeah. So I didn't even detail out what I have to do. So basically, I'm on my way to class now. It's 9. I want to say it's 9:30 something. My class starts at 10, and I'm gonna stop at Chick-fil-A before I get there. Maybe if the line isn't too long, because I could stop by Starbucks, but Starbucks breakfast does not fill me. Like, Starbucks breakfast isn't a grown woman breakfast. It's like for children. Ooh, my lip gloss is in the car. I do have like Cash App boosts and stuff there. I don't think Chick-fil-A has that. So that's another thing. That $1 off makes a difference. I look kind of bad right now. So anyways, yeah, long time no see, you guys. My life has been in shambles. I look a mess. I don't like this. I think I might just put on my Starbucks hat. Go ahead and put it on. My life has been in shambles. I guess I can just detail that to you guys first and foremost. My skin looking good right now. I don't know why. It has been looking good this whole summer. My tank is on E. My life has been in shambles. So we can dial it back to like May 14th. That's when I got my wisdom teeth pulled. Actually, we could really dial it back further to like the end of spring semester. I wanted to take summer classes, but I wanted like to get financial aid. And I didn't know that you had to be like a full-time student to get financial aid. I mean, it makes sense, but just nobody explained that to me. And I kept going up to financial aid and being like, will financial aid be able to help me? Because I had signed up for one class. I was like, so can financial aid help me with this? And they were like, yeah. But turns out, no. And I didn't find this out until the last day of the semester. So, and summer classes started, there was like a week in between, and then summer classes started the next week. So that's kind of late to be trying to get financial aid and trying to sign up for another class. But I ended up getting in another class. I just was like running around like a crazy person all day until I did it. Then I need my wig to cooperate because I feel like I look like a beetle or something. I don't know. So then it's like I had to miss a day of school, and summer semester moves like really quick, so missing a day is like missing a week of school, but it was okay. I caught up. Then my hours at work got cut. My financial aid, like my refund that I was supposed to get, I thought I was gonna get it like at the beginning of summer, but I literally just got it like last week. So yeah. What else? I feel like I'm missing something. It's just been so much bad this summer. Like, honestly, this has been like the worst summer of my life. Like, and it's not like I'm ready for school to start. Like, I'm not ready for school to start, but I'm ready for summer to end. Like, this summer has sucked. Like, usually you anticipate the summer. It's like, because honestly, my workload has been less. I've been less stressed, all of that. Yeah, I guess, well, I've been less stressed when it comes to like school and work and stuff. But other than that, this summer has been terrible. Like, I know I'm probably missing stuff that happened during the summer, like, or leaving something out, but it's just been so bad. So yeah, but I got a new phone, so that's good. My skin looks clear today, so that's good. So yeah, every day I'm just trying to, like, I start the day positive, get something that I want to eat for breakfast, all of that. But it's like I can pretty much anticipate something going wrong every day, because it's like if something can go wrong, it does. So I don't know if I'm in like some type of training right now for like, you know, what my future is going to be like, how to problem solve, handle problems. But it's too much. I need a break. Like, I can't. So yeah, summer has been pretty bad. But yeah, I'm glad to be vlogging. I know you guys probably don't care about my misfortunes, but it's life. Like, this is life. Like, I have to go to class at 10 and I go to work at 12, and then I go pick up my groceries at 3, then I go tutor at 4. So yeah, I probably won't be back on this vlog until I go pick up my groceries and go to tutoring. And I tutor like little kids, not like college kids. And then probably after that. So yeah, that's a recap of my summer, and I will see you guys probably after I get, either after I get out of class or after I get off work. Sometimes I get out of class early, so I'll come to my car. Probably after I get out of class, because we'll probably get out early. All right, see you guys. So I got out of class early, of course. Left my lip gloss in the car anyways. So yeah, it's like 10:48. I wasn't supposed to get out of class till 11:40, and I have to be to work at 12, like I said. I hate when I dress for like work and then I end up getting out of class early, because I really could have just went home during this time and put on my work clothes. But it's like you never know, and I don't want to risk being late for work. But jeez, I don't be trying to wear my work clothes all day. It's hot. Looking for a scrunchie now. I forgot to mention, I've had a cough all summer. Like, that's what I'm telling you. Like, this summer has been really bad. I've been coughing all summer, like the whole time. The gag is, I know I put a scrunchie in here. Like, what? It's like, what do you really know at this point? And there's just, there's just so much in here. It's like no telling where it is. Do I have another one? No, I only packed one. All right, so this is one of the things I'm talking about, like when things just go wrong. So when in doubt, adjust. I have bobby pins in my braids under my wig, so I'm gonna take those out. Then we're gonna do like some type of, first I'm gonna put the hat on. I have a bobby pin in my hat too. I lost one, oh no, it's right here. Because my hat doesn't fit around my head when I have on a wig. So, put my hat on. Like, y'all see how much easier this would be if I had a scrunchie? Maybe I can find like a make-do scrunchie. I could literally just do this and then it'll just be done. I'm gonna wrap a piece of hair to make a ponytail. I forgot what I was talking about too, so that conversation, it might never come up again because I don't know what else I'm talking about. And then put a bobby pin in, and then put another bobby pin in. Okay. And there we go, we have a ponytail. I'm just so mad that I got out of class early. Like what am I gonna do for the next hour? I have a whole hour. Maybe I should just go home. I do need to go get some detergent. So maybe I can just do that right now while I'm waiting. Yeah, let's go get some detergent, because I need that. And I'll just come back, because I'm not gonna sit in this parking lot. Oh, I need gas too. Exactly, and I'm gonna sit in this parking lot with my car on. No. So I need to go get gas and detergent, because my tank is on like E. And hopefully by that time, well, I know it won't be an hour by that time, but it'll be closer to an hour. Anyways, I'm here to get detergent. It's nothing special about it. Dollar General is my jam. I will avoid Walmart at all costs. Like, I do not like going to Walmart. I hate it. It gives me such anxiety. There have been times where I pulled into Walmart parking lot and just turned around because I don't like Walmart. That's why I'm doing grocery pickup now, because I'm not going inside. So yeah, but I forgot to put detergent on there, so I have to get that. So yeah, I'll probably be recording when I'm sitting in the parking lot again at work. Maybe I'll go home and clean up a little bit before I go back. I doubt it though. That's unnecessary stress and I'm already out. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. So I ended up coming home regardless. Cause I have to use the bathroom. So all of that for not having a scrunchie was pointless because now I can just get a scrunchie. But yeah, that's all that happened. Ended up coming home. Oh, I need to tell y'all, I just spent $25 in like 2 minutes. I put 15 in my gas tank. And tell me why. When I walked in Dollar General, it was so stank. Like, it was like the foulest odor. Like, it was like a feminine type of odor in there. And it was so stank. And I could not find what I was looking for. So I just picked up the first detergent I saw. And the first like little thing of like the Unstoppables, like the things you put in with your laundry. I picked up the first one of those I saw because it was so stank, and I ended up spending like $10. So yeah, that's not good. But I couldn't take the smell. Like, it was so stank, I couldn't breathe. I was like, oh, it was bad. So yeah. Okay guys, I just got off work looking rough. I hate when I like exert a bunch of energy at work and I still have more to do in the day. That's all. I don't know. I like to work in the mornings, but I don't like to, when it's like the afternoon like this and it's already hot outside and I've used so much energy at work, I don't like to do anything else. But firstly, I have something else to do. I have 2 more things to do actually. Pick up my groceries and go to Tudor these chillins. I need to eat, but I'm going to get these groceries right now. I don't think I'm gonna have time to cook in between now and tutoring, so I'll probably have to do that after the fact at like 5 something, but that's fine. Anyways, yeah. Oh wait, I can record me cooking. Y'all, I don't really be cooking. Like, I can't cook, but we gonna eat. So yeah. That's probably the next time I pick up the camera, when I'm making myself something to eat or making me and my roommate something to eat. Either way, I'm done eating out. Like, the money I've been spending eating out is ridiculous. And my mom just paid for $50 worth of groceries because she let me log in on her Walmart app and it just charged her card. So she paid for these groceries, so I'm gonna eat them. So yeah, I will see you guys later on, probably around like 5:30, 5:45 maybe, probably 5:30. So this is what I mean by like unfortunate things happen to me. I just dropped a whole thing of spaghetti sauce. Guess what I was gonna make tonight? Freaking spaghetti! Oh gosh. So that spaghetti sauce flipping off the counter just tanked my whole day. Like, literally, it was like the straw that broke the camel's back. Like, it's just so frustrating. Like, out of all bags that had to fall, it had to be the spaghetti sauce. Now I have to go back to the store, and I hate going to the store. Like, when I say I hate it, I hate it. I've already been once today. Well, I've really been twice today because I had to pick up my groceries. So it's super annoying that had to fall. And it's like, now I have to get my attitude right before I go work with these kids. And I know it seems like something small. It's just some spaghetti sauce, but it's like, dang. Today ain't been hard enough. Now I gotta spill some spaghetti sauce. So I just need a second to gather myself before I continue on with today. And I just wipe my eyebrows off. Great. Look down. Down, some more, down. Go back up, up, down. There you go. No R's. Okay, do you have a F?
Yes.
Okay.
Good. Okay. Go.
Do you have a S? Do you have a O? Okay, so I'm making like a baked like spaghetti thing, but I'm using like, I don't know if I ever had like the meaty marinara stuff from Pizza Hut, but it's like similar to that. You just mix like spaghetti sauce, noodles, meat, and put cheese on top, and that's it. So yeah.
Can we just talk? Can we just talk about where we're going before we get lost? Feeling the outdoors, can't get what we do without knowing. I've never felt like this before. I apologize if I'm moving too far. Can we just talk? Can we just talk? Figure out where we're going. Can we just talk? Can we just talk? Figure out where we're going.
Okay, so this is going in the oven for 20 minutes at 3. Yeah. It looks okay. I don't know how it's gonna taste, but it looks fine. Some corn over here. So I really hope you guys like this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video.
I'm on, so stop feeling